Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 2008 SUV in the GT line specification. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It's got a full service history with Howard's. This car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's this lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. You get rear parking sensors and a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got half leather interior with the red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car is just £20 a year to tax. It's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine with 110 horsepower. It's done 9,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.